Hello everyone, my order from Hobby Hoppers has just arrived and this is what I ordered from the latest Lawn Fawn release. Even though we haven't even hit Christmas yet, I'm very excited to see my Valentine's Day things. I love Valentine's Day. I think it's because it's so close to my birthday. I love everything pink, red and hearts. It's just so much fun and so pretty. It's probably my favorite time of year to be doing crafting. So I'm super keen to get this open and to start playing with these. So let's chop this open. This is probably the longest I've had to wait. It is express post. I thought Trish mentioned that. Express post is usually overnight here, but this has taken, I think close to a week. I've noticed at the moment Ozpost has really slowed down. I know it's because Christmas is like next week, so it's to be expected, but that is really slow for what is usually super fast post. I have been watching my Ozpost app every day, seeing the updates. This was meant to arrive on Tuesday and it just kept getting updated till Wednesday and then Thursday, which is today, and then this morning it actually said Friday, so I'm really glad it showed up today instead. So here we go. I love the Trish Pop stickers on everything. It's so cute. Oh, okay. I'm trying to remember what I ordered because I know there's going to be a few things in here, but not everything yet because of, budget restrictions and Christmas is next week. I've had to really control myself with this latest release. I will absolutely be getting more next month, but I just had to calm down and just get what I thought were necessities for this round, and I'll be grabbing more again soon. So there is the Hobby Hoppers business card. There is the info if you are interested. If this did arrive as quick as it should, Trish would have had this to me overnight, but with the way the post is at the moment, that just was not going to happen. I have a cat trying to climb on me. Okay, so yes, this is not part of the Valentine's Day release. It's a much older set. Harold's ABCs. I did put up a poll on my Instagram, or I think it was actually a question on my Instagram stories a while ago, asking everyone what their favourite Lawn Fawn alphabet stamp set was, because I don't have one. And I wanted something that looked pretty basic, that could be used for any card to personalise things. I've got a couple of people in my family who have names that you can't find on anything. My 2 children. Their names aren't that wild or different, but because they're older names, they're just not on anything. So at least I can personalize their birthday cards and things like that. But I think this will be a lot of fun. It's a very standard looking font. There is another one that I want. It reminds me of like the Ray Dunn font. It's like tall and skinny. That will probably be the next one I want to grab. But this one I thought would be great for now. And this one was the most recommended out of all of them. Everyone seems to love this set. So I'm really glad I got my hands on it. Next is, oh my gosh, aren't they gorgeous? Scent with Love. Oh, I can't believe these are in my hands. I'm so excited to play with these skunks. I know that sounds ridiculous. They are so cute. I've never been more excited to see this creature in my life. I'm 100% certain we don't get skunks in Australia, which is a good thing. We have enough crazy creatures here as it is. So I've never seen one in person, but these guys are very cute and I'm really excited to get playing with them. I love that they've included the hugging set that goes very well with previous stamp sets and sentiments. I just love it. And the accessories too. That's another letter that's of a different size to what we already have. And the little scalloped heart. That's so cute. So adorable. I could not go past this one. I have seen very similar dies from other brands that I have considered getting in the past. I wasn't a huge fan of the scripty XOXO that Lawn Fawn had a long time ago, but this font is fantastic. I feel like it goes with everything. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play with. I already can't wait to get using this one. I will do the die first because I'm really excited to see this one. I had a really hard time choosing between both of the heart dies. I think I will actually grab the other one as well. I just love that quilted pattern. It is so cute. And I just feel like if I'm going to make cards between now and my next order, I will be doing portrait cards. So that's why I grabbed this one first and I'll grab the other one later. It's just adorable. Lawn Fawn just make the cutest things. Oh, I can't wait to play with that. And how cute is that going to look over the top? Oh my gosh, I already have so many ideas running through my head. Now we have the Seriously, there's another L in there. Seriously awesome. I love this so much because I feel like Lawn Fawn haven't brought out a brand new design for their little mini stamps in a long time. They've done a few flip-flops, which are super exciting, but to have something brand new is awesome. I just love it. It is so cute. I can't wait to play with this. I love that it goes with the other breakfast sets that we've already got. It's so much fun. I just want to use it straight away. And last but not least is the Scent with Love add-on. I am loving these little add-on sets. The big sets are so cute and I feel like it's just a whole set of other things that they probably wish they could have put in there. I've been getting a lot of them lately. I think I've been collecting all the little add-ons. They're just so much fun. I love that chocolate covered strawberry and the little chocolate. There's just so many ideas already going through my head for this. I can picture my little favorite mice getting up to a lot of trouble with these treats. And I love the extra sentiments in here too. That's so sweet. Absolutely adorable as always. I can't wait to start playing with these. I'll leave the Hobby Hoppers link in the comments below if you'd like to shop there too. And I would love to know if your order has arrived yet from wherever you've ordered. What have you ordered? That's what I'm interested in too. What have you ordered and what are you most looking forward to using? I think for me, oh my gosh, it might be the XOXO and maybe the skunks. I don't know. I know that I'm going to want to open all of them immediately and get playing with these. So I'm going to go and start planning what to make first. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.